Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.